Hello children, welcome to online class. In last class we have learnt about geometry. Today also we will continue the same topic geometry. Let us recall what we have learnt in previous class. First one, 2D shapes. 2D shapes are also called as plane shapes. It has two measurements, length and breadth. Some of the 2D shapes are square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Repeat along with me. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Second topic, 3D shapes. 3D shapes are also known as solid shapes. 3D shapes are also known as solid shapes. Some of the solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere. Repeat, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere. These solid shapes has three measurements: length, breadth and height. Okay children, let us start our class with an activity. Identify the cube, cone and sphere shaped objects and write 1 for cube, 2 for cone and 3 for sphere. Can you understand what they written here? Identify the cube, cone and sphere shaped objects and then you have to write the number 1 for cube, 2 for cone and 3 for sphere. See the objects here. First one they given ball, second one die, third one birthday cake. First one ball. So ball is the shape of sphere. Very good. Ball is the shape of sphere. For sphere we have to mention the number what? 1 or 2 or 3? 3. Very good. Second object is dice. Dice is the example for cube. For cube we have to mention the number 1. Very good. Birthday cap. So this is the shape of cone. Which number you have to mention here? The number 2. Very good. Did you enjoy this activity children? Yes. Let us do match the shapes. First one, match the 2D shapes with their names. See the first one. What is the shape given in first? It is the shape of circle. Where is the spelling given here? Very good. Repeat the spelling. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Good. See the second picture. What shape given here? This is the shape of triangle. Where is the spelling of triangle children? Good. Read the spelling. T-R-I. Tri. Angle. A-N-G-L-E. Angle. Triangle. Okay. T-R-I. Tri. Angle. A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Very good. See the third one. It's a shape of square. Can you tell me where is the spelling of square? Good. This is the spelling of square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Repeat with me. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Good. Last one. See the last one. This is the shape of rectangle. This is the shape of rectangle. Where is rectangle? Yes. Read the spelling. R-E-C-T. Rect. Angle. A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Repeat with me. R-E-C-T. Rect. Angle. A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next one. Match the 3D shapes with their names. See the first object. What they given? This is the shape of sphere. Where's the spelling of sphere? Yes. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Repeat with me. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Very good. See the second object. What are they given? This is the shape of cuboid. It's a shape of cuboid. Where's the spelling of cuboid? C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Very good. See the third object. This is the shape of cone. Birthday cap is the shape of cone. Where's the spelling of cone? Here. Very good. C-O-N-E. Cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Last one. Dice. Dice is the shape of cube. The spelling of cube is C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. It's activity time. Shall we do activity? In this activity, we will find 2D shapes from 3D shapes. That is 2D impressions of 3D shape. Okay. See the things on the table? See the things on the table? It's a cone, cube, cylinder, spherical ball are kept on the table. Look at there. Torchlight is kept on a chair. Let us see what will happen while switch on the torchlight. The light of the torch falls on the 3D shapes of cone, cube, cylinder and spherical ball. The shadow of the spheres are falling on the board, but the shadows are look like a 2D shapes. Can you see? The shadow of the 3D shapes of cone is look like a 2D shape of triangle. The shadow of 3D shape of cube look like a shape of square. The shadow of the 3D shape of cylinder is look like a 2D shape of rectangle. The shadow of the 3D shape of sphere is look like a 2D shape of circle. My dear children, have you seen these differences? Can you identify 2D shape and 3D shape now? Yes, you can. Did you enjoy this activity, children? Look at the stick in his hand. He have a 2D shape of triangle, square and circle in the stick. Let us see the magic. Let us rotate the stick continuously. The 2D shape of triangle is look like a 3D shape of cone. See this? A triangle look like a cone. The 2D shape of square is look like a 3D shape of cube. See the difference? Yes. Last one. 2D shape of circle is look like a 3D shape of sphere. Circle is look like a sphere. Dear children, have you enjoyed this activity? Dear children, have you enjoyed these activities? You can also do these activities with your friends. Children, do these activities at home and enjoy yourself. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.